Hey guys, just wanted to show you what I got at Walmart. They're 10 glitter lantern lights. They're mini lights. $5.97. You get, and they're for indoor, outdoor, string to string. That's what they look like. They got bats and cats and pumpkins on them. They just got one little light, mini light in them. Just string. They're really nice. They're pretty around the TV at night. See? Let me see if I can turn the lights off. That'll help. They look more yellowy at home, at the house, than they do on camera. But I just want to show you guys. $5.97. It's a good deal. Here's the box. Same thing on the back. Okay, well, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.